My name is Alexandra Barth. I'm a postdoctoral scholar in chemistry here at NC State. My research focuses on photochemistry and photocatalysis. At NC State, I'm a postdoctoral scholar. What that means is I already completed my PhD, so I'm already completed graduate school. And now I'm working in what is basically an apprenticeship for 2 to 3 years, learning how I can better mentor students, complete some research of my own, and also just learn everything that it takes to run my own research lab. As a postdoctoral scholar, I conduct my own research as well as facilitating the theses of other students that work in our lab. So I have my own independent research, and then I also run the samples for other graduate students to help them complete their research. Starting from day one, I had an expertise on a very particular item of instrumentation in our lab, so I could immediately start running samples and exploring the time result spectroscopy of different molecular systems. My specific research area focuses on ultrafast spectroscopy, so I'm interested in understanding how molecules in light interact on a very rapid scale. In ultrafast spectroscopy, I'm interested in understanding the dynamics that take place when a molecule first absorbs light. So understanding how a molecule will actually harness that light and then retain that light in order to induce other chemical reactions. One rewarding experience from this year has been being selected for the American Chemical Society's CAS Future Leaders Program. This program is an international application pool, so I was selected among 35 students in an international pool of applicants to be selected for this program. The reward of this opportunity is meeting other exceptionally talented and enthusiastic scholars in chemistry and learning different ways to incorporate these leadership principles in my career as a future faculty member. I'm passionate about educating students. I think that goes for both teaching in the classroom as well as teaching in a research environment. It's important for researchers to have a foundation in teaching principles in order to effectively communicate with students, in order to clearly teach them the principles that they need in order to be successful researchers. The most rewarding part of my postdoc has been twofold. It's seeing the development of the students that I've worked with in our lab, seeing how they start from first joining the program to getting their first paper completed, as well as my own personal development, seeing the faculty member I want to become and my advisor, and then learning what it takes to be a faculty member like him. Outside of the lab, I love taking advantage of so many things that there are to do in Raleigh. I love taking yoga classes at the NC State gym. I love climbing and hiking, and most importantly, on the weekends, I love going to the North Carolina State Farmers Market. My favorite thing at NC State has been visiting the Howling Cow ice cream and seeing the dairy farm itself. It's just really interesting that we have such a significant agricultural focus at our school. Thinking back, I think the most significant piece of advice I would give myself is that I knew graduate school would be difficult, I just didn't know in what ways. It's really difficult to know the challenges that are going to lie ahead when you're in graduate school. But the most important thing to keep in mind is that every time that you have a difficult day, there's typically going to be a fantastic day right around the corner. It's just having the determination to get through that.